YouTube Keyword Research Masterclass. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can do keyword research for YouTube. So let's get into it. So there are a couple of things that you want to know. Keyword research is actually pretty important, and if you don't do it, your videos might not get ranked. A lot of people are doing it nowadays, even though it's pretty harmful for overall search experience, but people are still doing it. And if you get left behind, even if your videos are more useful, they're better edited, they're better performing, even if your videos are better made, they're better edited, they have lots of info, they're just overall better. If they're not optimized, if they're not searched, if they're not searchable, then it's not going to work. So you do need to do keyword research in order to get started. Now, there are a couple of things that you can do. The software that we're going to be using is called Gravity Writes. You can use this one as well, but you can use other softwares as well. But what we're trying to do is we're trying to find some niche ideas. So in Gravity Tools or in Gravity Writes, they have a tool. So come over here onto the left-hand side once you've signed up. I already have an account, so I just signed in, but it's actually pretty simple to sign up. You can just sign up by using your Google account and any of the socials that's available. Once you've signed up, come over here onto the left-hand side, click on the tool section. Here you will find idea generation. So this is a tool that we're going to be using. It's going to go ahead and help us find niche ideas. So if we click over here, a lot of people are using it, but we can also use it to find some niche ideas. So here you just type in the niche that you want. So for example, if we hop over here onto Google Trends. So here in Google Trends, we're going to click on Explore. We can also select the trending section as well. So for the past, let's say 7 days, all right? For the past 7 days in all trends, we can go with show trends over here by relevance as well, even category as well. So here you will see a bunch of different options. So here you can also select the options as well, find different niches as well. So right now people are trying to look for Dr. MLK. We've got extreme cold. These are all, of course, not the niches that we're going to want, but we have one called Microsoft outage, which is pretty cool. But this is in US, so you could go with any other location if you want, but it totally depends on you where you want to target. But yeah, in all categories or in all trends, right? So in all categories, you can select the category that what you want. So let's say we want health, right? Health related options. We got all these different options that we have, but this is something else. But what if we find something else, like let's say jobs and education? Again, we have some different options, but nothing to create videos on or, you know, find something options. What about technology? Yeah, we might find something over here. So we got Autodesk. So we can see Autodesk is trending right now. 2 hours ago, almost 1,000 people are searching for it, Autodesk. So now if we select Autodesk, we go over here. So Autodesk. So what we'll do is we'll search for Autodesk. We're going to copy that, come over here onto YouTube and just search for Autodesk, see what we get. So we should pop up a bunch of different options. So here we got all these different options, and you can see all these different videos as well. And you can see they're pretty old, considering, not new ones as well, but we can see this one is 2 days old and it has over 4,000 views. So this is a good niche. So something like this, you could definitely use it. Other than that, you can come over here onto the Gravity Writer and just type in the, you know, niche you want. So let's say technology, and usually these types of videos are, of course, fall into the YouTube automation category. So you could also search for that as well. So automation or YouTube in general. Yeah, let's go ahead and generate or create content. We're going to click over here. We're interested in this subject. So it's going to go ahead and generate a bunch of niche ideas with some overview and profit potential as well. And here we go. So we got a bunch of different options. So you can see right here, automated urban legends. This one actually pretty cool. You can use AI research and we can use AI research tools and present urban legends from specific geographic locations, which is pretty cool. So ad revenue, horror mystery, sponsorships, affiliation. We can do a bunch of stuff with this option as well. So now if we select this option right here, and if we go into ChatGPT, I was also researching over here as well. So if I wanted to create, let's say, automated urban legends investigations channel, right? So I'll type in, let's see what ChatGPT says. So that's actually a pretty smart idea. And yes, it's a good idea, but only if you do it the right way. So automated ULI for YouTube is a good niche, massive curiosity factor. What happened? Is this real? This was never explained. Curiosity is equal to clicks. Yeah, it looks good. It's an evergreen content, which means that it'll never expire. So a video you post today can still get views 2 to 5 years later, which is pretty cool, because every time they get views, it'll automatically, you know, rank up revenue. We've got proven demand, so a bunch of other channels are doing it as well. But the problem is the top 10 urban legends, creepy story compilations, and scary narrations only. You will fail. Why? Because YouTube is flooded with these types of options as well, like Reddit, creepypasta, horror shorts, and stuff like that. So the winning angle is going to be investigation style. So you do like, we investigate this urban legend using police records, news reports. So it's gonna require a bunch of work you need to put into it. So that's way it'll work. But I think we can still you know, work it. So these are some video ideas. So urban legends that actually have police reports, or places where people keep disappearing. This one actually pretty cool. If I saw this on YouTube, I would want to, you know about it. And yeah, I know some other people as well that would want it, especially females, especially women. Women love these kinds of, you know, horror stuff. Like, I know a couple of friends who always goes onto YouTube, who always just watch these kind of things. So yeah, this could definitely have potential. We mapped this, urban legends that started from real news articles. Also pretty cool. The CCTV footage. These ones are actually pretty cool. So we do need to go ahead and find some footages, but yeah, a lot of potential over here as well. So then ChatGPT will tell us how to automate it, so everything should be good to go. So yeah, good potential. But yeah, this is how you can do keyword research and find different ideas, different niches to create your own YouTube channel, which is pretty cool. So yeah, definitely try these methods out and let me know in the comment section what you think about them. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.